guys, it's Caitlin. Today we are making easy and delicious one-pan chicken fajitas. This recipe is so simple and it's only one pan, so that means a quick cleanup. Let's get cooking. This recipe makes about 8 to 10 servings. We're going to start with 2 pounds of raw chicken breast. As you can see, the fibers in the chicken breast run horizontally. So here's a little tip. We're going to begin slicing the chicken into strips vertically against the grain. By cutting the chicken against the grain, we're actually shortening those long stringy fibers, giving us tender, juicy pieces of chicken. Place it into a bowl and set aside to begin making our marinade. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to combine a 1/4 cup of oil, the juice of 1 lime, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix the marinade until fully combined. Pour the marinade over your chicken and toss until the chicken is fully coated. Set aside and cover with plastic wrap to let the chicken marinate while we prepare our peppers. We're going to need 3 bell peppers. Begin cutting the peppers into thin slices, making sure to discard of the seeds. Continue cutting all of the peppers and then place into a large bowl and set aside. By the way, if you find anything like this, it's called a carpelloid structure, and it's basically just a seed that mutated into pepper tissue. It's totally normal and edible. Now, we're going to chop some onions. We're going to be using 2 yellow onions. These are rather small, so you could also use 1 large one. Peel them and then cut the onions into thin slices. Try to keep them around the same thickness as we slice the peppers. And remember to curl your fingers as you use the knife so you don't get cut. We're going to add the onions into the same bowl as our peppers. In a pan over medium heat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. And we're going to add our onions and peppers into the pan. Season with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and cook over medium heat for about 10 minutes or until the onions have become translucent and slightly caramelized. Once they are done, remove from the heat and set aside. Turn up the heat to medium-high and add our marinated chicken to the pan. Cook the chicken for about 10 minutes or until cooked through. The chicken should reach an internal temp of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Add our peppers and onions back in and toss for about a minute. Serve warm with your favorite tortillas. This recipe could also be made gluten-free, dairy-free, or vegan. Check the description for details. Now finish with your favorite toppings like sour cream, cheese, or guacamole. You can check out my chipotle guacamole recipe over here. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed that easy dinner recipe. If you did, hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below. Also, check out more of my easy dinner recipe videos over here and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you and I will see you next time.